everyone, welcome to the online classes. Today's our lesson is lesson 16, directions and time. Directions and time. See the picture here, vacation. See this people are going for a vacation. The picture shows a family driving towards a hotel. The sun is rising ahead of them. See here, sun is rising ahead. Towards which direction is the family going? Towards east. Yes, sun rises in the east, no? So see here, the sun is rising and the people are going into that direction. They are going on a vacation. While going to a new place, have your parents ever asked for directions to take the correct route to reach there? So whenever we are going to any place, if we don't know that place, the address of that place, then we will ask for a direction whether we have to go to the right, left or straight. Then we will ask whether we have to take a right, we have to take a left, or in which way you have to go. So see the directions. Directions help us to reach a place on time. If we know the directions, then we can reach to the place on time. Direction is the path that we take when moving from one place to another. We use words such as left, right, straight, front. So directions is the path, the way that we take if we move from one place to another place. We use words such as left, right, straight, front. We use from school. See, from our home to school, we will take right, we will take left, then go straight, then we will take right, then we reach the school. In that way, we use words such as left, right, straight and front and behind to give directions. Directions also point towards a place where a thing lies. Okay, see here, study the image of a ladybug and fill in the gaps with the correct words. Front, left, behind, right. The blue ladybird is to the dash of the red bird. Blue bird is there. So blue bird is which side of the red bird? Red bird is here. Blue bird is, this is right. Okay, this is right and this is left. So right of the left of the red bird. This is right, this is left, no? So left side the blue bird is. Blue bird is left side of the left side. The yellow ladybird is to the dash of the violet ladybird. Here violet ladybird is there, and to which side of the violet ladybird the yellow bird is there? Right. Right, GHT, right. The green ladybird is to the dash of the yellow ladybird. Green is there and yellow is here. Green is here and yellow is. Green ladybird is to the yellow, is to the front of the yellow bird. Front. It is in front, no? Front. Front. The pink ladybird is to the behind the blue bird. Behind the blue bird. Yellow is in green is in front of the yellow bird. Green ladybird is to the is in the front and this is behind. In the other way also we can take. Okay. 4 main directions. We have 4 main directions. There are 4 main directions. What are they? East, west, north, south. We have 4 main directions. East, west, north and south. We know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. We know, that sun rises in the east and sets in the west. When we face the rising sun, see here this boy, how this boy is standing facing the rising sun, and see here left hand and right hand is stretching the hands. When the boy is facing, when we are facing towards the rising sun, this is east and back side is west. and left hand side is north and right hand side is south. Left is north, right is south. When we face the rising sun, we look towards the east. Behind us is west. On the left hand side it is north and right hand side is south. Our face, the face shows east, back side of the face is west, left is north, right is south. Okay. The east is directly opposite to the west and the north is directly opposite to the south. So see, east and west are opposite to each other, north and south are opposite to each other. Okay, then we have time. Time is an important part of our lives. We do different activities according to the time. Yes or no? We know different times, different activities, like we go to sleep, we wake up, we brush our teeth, we take a breakfast, we go to the school, we have lunch time, we have dinner time, we have homework time, we have playing time, studying time, going to sleep time. So for everything there are already predetermined many activities we will do on time. So time is very important in our lives. The sun tells us the time. The position of the sun in the sky tells us about the time of the day. Like these days now we have watches, so we are looking at watch to find the time. But in earlier days, when the watches were not available, the people used to look at the sky, the direction of the sun, in which direction the sun is. According to that they used to tell the time. The sun rises in the morning. Our day begins with the sunrise. Yes or no, children? When the sun rises, it is morning, so our day begins with the sunrise. At 12 o'clock the sun is directly over our heads. When sun rises in the east and it will come onto our head, over our head in the midday by 12 o'clock. It is called as midday or noon. This is when the morning ends and afternoon begins. The sun sets in the evening. It is a part of the day between the afternoon and time we go to bed. Evening is a part of a time after afternoon and before going to sleep, before we go to bed. After the evening comes the night. Our day ends at night. When the clock strikes 12 o'clock at night, it is called midnight. See, here we have morning, midday, evening, night, midnight. So these are all the parts of the time. We go to school in the morning. We come back from school in the afternoon. We do our homework in the evening. We sleep at night. So these are the activities that we do according to the time. See, in the morning we go to school. By afternoon we'll come back to home. Then we do our homework in the evening and we sleep at night. Okay. A clock tells us time. A clock or a watch. This you know that there is a watch with 12 digits, 12 numbers on this. According to this, the shorthand and longhand will show us the time. A clock or watch tells us the exact time. Most clocks and watches have two hands, a short hand and a long hand. One is big and other is small. The hands move to show the time. The clock also has some numbers. The number that the shorter hand points is to the hour and the number that the longer hand points to show the minutes. See, this short hand, this small hand is hours and this bigger hand is minutes. This is 4 o'clock, 4, and this shows the long hand shows the minutes and short hand shows the hours. One day is divided into seconds, minutes and hours. We have seconds, we have minutes and we have hours. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Here see, 60 seconds will make 1 minute. In the same way, 60 minutes will make 1 hour and 24 hours will make 1 day. The time before the clock strikes 12 in the daytime is called AM and the time after 12 o'clock is PM. 12 before we will write it as AM and after 12 it is PM. Okay. So time is very important for us. The next part of the lesson we'll discuss about the next part of the lesson. Let us go to the next page, 119. Days and weeks. You all are aware about days and weeks. See, there are 7 days in a week. What are they? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. We have 7 days in a week. What are they? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Then we have months and year. 4 weeks make a month. 4 weeks make a month. Some months have 4 weeks and 2 or 3 extra days also. Then 12 months make a year. See here, these are important. There are 7 days in a week. 12 months make a year. So, what are the 12 months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So these are the 12 months which will make 1 year. There are 7 days in a week, 4 weeks make a month and 12 months make a year. Okay, this is about the days and weeks, months and year. Okay children. Then with this we have completed with the lesson. The next textbook exercises and classwork we will do in our next class. Have a good day.